Let's talk about Karnataka now, because the Valmiki Fund transfer scam, or this purported scam that seems to be widening, with the Enforcement Directorate digging deep into the multi-crore fund fraud, where former Minister B. Nagendra, who has been arrested in connection with the scam late last night, and Nagendra, who resigned over the allegations related to the scam, was earlier taken for interrogation and questioning with the ED officials, and the arrest comes days after that the ED also conducted raid on the former minister's residences in Bengaluru and Ballari. But what has to be noted here is the stunning charges of the ED that has now been penned against the former Karnataka Mantri. In the remand note, which Times Now has accessed, the Enforcement Directorate charges B. Nagendra of being directly responsible for the embezzlement, that he kept silent despite the knowledge about the said scam. The remand note also says that the ED wants time to question the former minister on the illegal fund transfer and confront him with certain documents. As per the latest update, he has been sent now to ED custody at least till the 18th of this month. In a sensational update, sources also suggest that one of the arrested accused in Valmiki Fund scam have purchased a second-hand Lamborghini car, which was auctioned off by the IT department, paying around 3.3 crores. As per sources, Hyderabad-based individual purchased this automobile first, and then arrested accused purchased the car from his man from Hyderabad. Latching on to this, the BJP meanwhile has demanded stringent action against the former minister.
देखो, जो कुछ भी इतना बड़ा अमाउंट करप्शन नहीं तो वो डकैती हो गया। डकैती होने के बाद किधर चला गया पैसे, किधर चला गया कि तो बोले तो किधर किधर की पैसे वो लोग डाइवर्ट कर लेके मजा कर लिए। ये कोई उसका बाइक का लड़का एक लैम्बोर्गिनी कार खरीदी किया कहते, बाद में हवाला में भी बहुत कुछ पैसे हाई कहते, जरा पैसे किधर पहुंचना था वो भी पैसे पहुंचे कहते, बाद में इलेक्शन के भी फंड्स पे यूज भी किया कहते। बोल को वो पहली डिमांड क्या है, हम उसको ईडी के लोग वो लोग को अरेस्ट करना ही चाहिए, हम पहले डिमांड कर रहे।
Wherever this Ghamandiya alliance is in power, there will always be a scam. So this Valmiki scam is nothing new. Pappu Raj, khatakhat scam Raj. So-called Samajwadi and socialist, rather I call them socialist. They drive Lamborghini. Funds for ST. When they can take the benefits of ST given to the Muslims, then what is the fund? Anything happens in the Ghamandiya alliance ruled state, the other Ghamandiyas will keep quiet. They won't speak anything.
Now seems like there is also more trouble that seems to be in the offing for Karnataka Congress unit in this case, that the ED is likely also to grill another Congress MLA, Basungowda Daddal. Now Daddal's house too was raided during the initial searches that were conducted by the ED, and as per sources his whereabouts till now are said to be unknown. So as far as this individual is also concerned, on part of the Congress party, where raids that have been taking place in the police do want to, or when it comes to the central agencies, that they also want to question and quiz another Congress party MLA. Here, as far as his whereabouts are concerned, that remains unknown. But this is the shocking misuse of the funds that were actually for the ST and ST communities. And this is for that very purpose when it comes to the Valmiki Trust that was founded, or this corporation limited that was founded, and unbecoming when it comes to a stature of a minister, where several serious allegations that were leveled. He now has been placed under arrest on part of the Enforcement Directorate.